Hello, my name is Eric Rapp. I just published two books called Exploring Climate. One is a teacher edition, one is a student edition. I'd like to share with you how I believe the teacher edition, and the student edition, would be very beneficial for your students in your classroom. The teacher edition especially has got some options in it that will really help you if you're in a blended learning environment or where you expect your students to do homework or activities outside of the classroom. Please let me show you what I did with my instructional design. A blended learning environment can also be known as a hybrid learning, technology-mediated instruction, web-enhanced instruction, or mixed-mode instruction. A blended learning environment combines instructional time used in the classroom with independent time students engage with content outside of the classroom, usually with some kind of iPad, computer, online resource. In this video, we are going to describe two quick benefits that our book provides for teachers and students engaged with blended learning environments, and how our book addresses two of the disadvantages commonly associated with blended learning environments. First, the teacher edition contains an easy-to-use chart in each chapter that summarizes the reading level of the text, the amount of time needed to read the text, and the length of all videos and animations contained in each section. This allows teachers to micromanage instruction based on a student's individual needs and background. Now, if you're a teacher, you know exactly what that means. But if you're new to blended learning, this simply means that if you know that some of your students can read faster and/or comprehend text better than others, they will complete the task quicker than those that may be slower or need help decoding some of the text. In situations like this, it might be advantageous to assign additional or complementary tasks to those students while you work with the students that need some additional help. A second advantage of our books is that the student and teacher editions have short assessments at the beginning of each chapter. These are designed to provide valuable feedback to both the students and the teachers regarding the prior knowledge of the student. This provides an opportunity for teachers to identify which students are already familiar with some of the content in the chapter and might need additional material to supplement their education, as well as identify which students have little prior knowledge on the topics in the chapter and might need some additional instructional time. Now, two disadvantages that are commonly cited in the literature concerning computer-mediated instruction, or this blended learning environments, are 1. Technical problems associated with the technology used to provide the content to the students, and second, the overuse of lecture recordings and students either avoiding this material or binge watching them in one sitting. Let's see how we address both of these issues. First, our books don't require the internet to engage with the content. All videos, graphs, text, etc. are contained within the interactive digital ebook. The Apple iBook ecosystem is very robust and reliable. The videos and text are crisp, clear, and easy to engage with. Your students will not encounter technical problems associated with our digital ebooks. As for the second point concerning overuse of lectures, our books contain 0 lectures. That's right, none. Instead, we incorporate multimedia content designed by using the principles from the cognitive theory of multimedia learning. These principles lower the cognitive load placed on students who are engaged in our multimedia presentations. This allows them more cognitive resources to comprehend and assimilate the content. In this Exploring Climate ebook, we included 31 videos and animations that are broken up into segments lasting between 1 and 6 minutes. Each multimedia package will engage the students, and it is very unlikely that they will avoid the content or binge watch them all, as is commonly seen with the lecture-style content. To quickly summarize what our books can provide for teachers engaged in the blended learning environment is all the videos contained in the book were designed to minimize the cognitive load placed on students so that they can engage in the material. That is very different than the lecture-based material found with many of the online resources. We think you'll be very happy with our book. Please visit Apple's iBook store and download the free sample to see for yourself and engage with some of the content. We don't think you'll be disappointed. Thank you.